The universe hides secrets beyond our wildest imagination, and among them is the absolute titan of outer space, the ultramassive black hole TON 618. Friends, today we are leaving Earth behind to embark on a thrilling journey straight toward TON 618. In this voyage, we will witness the planets, stars, nebulae, galaxies, and other mind-bending cosmic wonders that cross our path. We will also discover exactly how far TON 618 is, how long it would take to get there, and how the fabric of the universe transforms as we draw closer to it. So, let's begin this incredible journey. Our journey begins at this beautiful blue planet, our home, Earth. As we break free from Earth's gravity and push forward, our first encounter is with our only natural satellite, the Moon. The Moon, which served as humanity's very first stepping stone into the cosmos, now fades into the distance behind us. To survive this unimaginable distance, our speed must now defy physics, surpassing the speed of light, 300,000 kilometers per second, by activating a theoretical warp drive. We are accelerating rapidly. To our right, the red planet, Mars, comes into view. Its dry, barren landscape once flowed with liquid water. Passing Mars, we plunge straight into the asteroid belt, a chaotic ring where millions of rocky fragments orbit the Sun. Navigating through these floating mountains, our spaceship suddenly stands before the king of the solar system, Jupiter. Its sheer, colossal size and the centuries-old storm churning on its surface, the Great Red Spot, instantly evoke a sense of cosmic dread. Next, we glide past the breathtaking, glittering rings of Saturn. Composed of ice and rock debris, these rings look like a cosmic jewel suspended in the void. Zooming past the icy giants Uranus and Neptune, we reach the outer fringes of our solar system, the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud, where billions of icy comets rest in a deep freeze. Looking back now, our Sun, the very star that gave us life, is nothing more than a tiny, flickering point of light in the overwhelming darkness. We have officially entered interstellar space. Leaving the solar system behind, we find ourselves in the true interstellar void. This is the empty expanse between star systems where nothing exists. No air, no light, just an eternal silence. Pushing slightly further, we encounter our closest neighboring star system, Alpha Centauri and Proxima Centauri, sitting roughly 4.2 light-years away. But our ultimate destination lies far beyond, so we cannot afford to stop. As our warp speed intensifies, the cosmic scenery shifts dramatically. Spread out before us is a colossal, magical cloud of gas and dust known as the Orion Nebula. This is a cosmic nursery, the very place where new stars are born. Here, dense pockets of hydrogen gas collapse under their own gravity, igniting into brand new suns. Decorated in vivid shades of red, blue, and violet, this nebula is so magnificent it feels like flying through a cosmic painting. But the universe is as lethal as it is beautiful. Breaking out of the nebula, we encounter a dead stellar remnant, a neutron star. It is no larger than a city, yet it weighs more than our Sun. Spinning at a blinding speed, it violently lashes out dangerous beams of X-ray radiation. We must steer clear and push onward. We are crossing millions of light-years in the blink of an eye. Countless star systems, bizarre exoplanets, and drifting space debris flash past. Now, we have reached the outermost edge of our home galaxy, the Milky Way. Looking out of our spaceship's window, the Milky Way appears as a massive, glowing spiral disk. Deep within its core lies Sagittarius A star, a supermassive black hole around which billions of stars perform a chaotic cosmic dance. We now cross the final boundary of the Milky Way, Stepping outside its gravitational hold, we plunge into intergalactic space, the vast, terrifying void between galaxies. The darkness here is absolute, swallowing the light of distant stars. The only visible features are other far-off galaxies, drifting through the dark like tiny fireflies. Even our massive neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, can be seen clearly from this cosmic vantage point. Friends, we must pause here for a moment to comprehend exactly where we are heading. Our destination, Ton 618, is no ordinary black hole. It is the king of the observable universe. But how far away is it? 18.2 billion light years. To put this incomprehensible distance into perspective, even if you traveled at the speed of light, it would take you 18,200,000,000 years to get there. Our Earth is only about 4.5 billion years old. This means the light leaving Ton 618 began its journey toward us long before Earth even existed. By pushing forward, we are breaking the barriers of space and time. We are looking back into the deep past, traveling toward an era when the universe was in its violent youth. The path ahead grows dense, and as we close the distance, the empty void will vanish, replacing itself with the most violent environment in existence. After traversing billions of light years, the darkness suddenly vanishes. An intense light erupts across the cosmic horizon, the likes of which humanity has never witnessed. This brilliance does not belong to a single star, nor a normal galaxy. This is a quasar. When astronomers first spotted TON 618 through radio telescopes, they mistook it for a faint blue star, cataloging it as Tonantzintla 618. But later analysis revealed it to be one of the most powerful and energetic objects in the cosmos. This quasar shines 140 trillion times brighter than our entire Milky Way galaxy combined. Up close, its sheer brilliance would instantly blind any onlooker. But where does this staggering energy come from? It doesn't escape from inside the black hole itself, but rather from the doomed matter spinning around it. The black hole's gravity pulls in gas, dust, and entire stars at near light speed, compressing them into a swirling accretion disk. The extreme friction heats this matter to millions of degrees, unleashing this terrifying cosmic beacon. We now stand directly before the beast. We have reached the event horizon of Ton 618, the point of no return, the boundary beyond which even light cannot escape. The event horizon of this black hole is so staggeringly vast that 11 entire solar systems could fit inside it side by side. Its diameter spans roughly 390 billion kilometers. If our sun were placed next to it, it wouldn't even look like a tiny grain of sand. As we draw closer to the edge, Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity manifests into reality. The gravitational pull here is so violent that it warps the very fabric of space-time into a steep, bottomless well. If we fell toward it feet first, the gravitational pull on our feet would be billions of times stronger than on our head. Scientists call this violent phenomenon spaghettification. Any object entering this zone gets violently stretched out like a long, thin string, completely tearing apart at the atomic level. Here, classical physics completely breaks down. As we hover right on the threshold of the event horizon, a mind-bending phenomenon occurs: time dilation. Due to the extreme concentration of gravity, the flow of time slows to a near standstill relative to the rest of the universe. A single second ticking away on our ship's clock could equate to thousands of years passing back home on Earth. If we were to look back at the cosmos from the edge of this black hole, the entire history and future of the universe would play out before our eyes like a movie on fast forward. We would watch galaxies form, collide, and die in a matter of moments. Here, we are on the verge of escaping time itself. Let's talk about the specific metric that crowns Ton 618 as the ultimate monster of the cosmos: its mass. Ton 618 weighs an astonishing 66 billion times the mass of our Sun. Astronomers classify this extreme breed as an ultramassive black hole. Consider this. Our Sun is large enough to swallow 1.3 million Earths. Yet Ton 618 holds the weight of 66 billion suns compressed into a single object. It is so unimaginably heavy that the entire galaxy surrounding it revolves entirely at its command. It is not just a localized anomaly, it is a bottomless cosmic abyss. The moment of no return has arrived. Our ship has crossed the event horizon. All communication with the outside world is permanently severed. What lies deeper within the black hole? Physics dictates that at the very center lies the singularity. This is a theoretical point where an infinite mass is compressed into zero volume. Here, density becomes infinite. Not a single equation of modern science functions within this realm. Neither Newton's laws nor Einstein's relativity apply. Some physicists theorize that passing through a singularity could act as a bridge, leading to another universe via a wormhole or a white hole. But what truly transpires inside remains the ultimate unsolved mystery of the universe.
If you enjoyed this journey, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until our next voyage into the cosmic unknown, see you next time. Thanks for watching.